welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a DIY painting. I've been seeing this all over Instagram, TikTok, everywhere, and I want to do it for my living room. I don't know if I'm gonna have my apartment tour, my furnished apartment tour up before this video or after this video, but either way, I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek because I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to do and where I'm about to put it. So I got this empty area above my couch here, and I'm actually gonna do 3. So I think I want to do 3 side by side, and yeah, let's just get into it. I'm about to show you all the stuff that I got. Okay, so I have 3 of these, what is this, 24 by 36 inch canvases that I'm gonna do. I got me a staple gun and some staples from Amazon. I got these canvases from Michaels. They were actually on sale. So one of these were like $27, but the sale was like 70% off. So I got all 3 of these for like $25. That's a good deal. If y'all looking for canvases, go to Michaels first. Michaels are like Hobby Lobby. They usually have them for the low. So yeah. Then I got some paintbrushes as well from Amazon. And then I got this, what is it called? Insulated. I think it's like insulation. I forgot what it's called. Sorry, y'all. Let me see. It's like for your doors. It's like to seal in your doors, like under the doors. That's basically what it's for. But I'm going to use it for this. So it's really soft too. I thought it was going to be harder than this. I hope I have the right ones. Oh yeah, this is the right one. Okay, yeah. And then lastly, I got paint samples from Home Depot. I'm not even gonna lie, I feel like this might not be enough, but we're gonna make it enough, okay? So I wanted to do chocolate. I wanted to make them like a chocolate color because I feel like my home is like really neutral, but my accent colors are like rust, like chocolate and black. So I wanted to like bring in the chocolate because I have like a lot of black stuff, a lot of like beige stuff, a few little rust things here and there. But I thought chocolate would have been perfect because I think the rust would have been too much, you know? I don't know. I wish I would have got rust, honestly, because I could have painted these like the rust color and then did the canvases the brown, but it's okay. I think it's still gonna look cute. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
Somebody tell me the answer. Me who isn't the answer. Me who isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you alone. Part of me that carries is gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been.
Okay, so I pretty much mapped out how I wanted to place the strips on here. I don't know if you can really see because I did it lightly in pen. This is looking a little crazy right now, but hopefully it comes together.
In the end, dream about, I think about what we could have been, we could have been, we could have been. Remember the night in Miami. First time you put your arms around me. I'm up reminiscing, yeah. Thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what good you would do if I decide to face the truth. It could have been right, but
so I went ahead and stuck all the tubing on here. It was pretty easy. It had like the, you see the back of it tape. It's like tape on the back of it. What I will do is flip this around. See how it already kind of stuck here? I'm gonna like staple it, like how it's already stapled. I'm gonna staple these into the back just to make sure they don't lift up and come out. And yeah, then we'll get to paint after that.
Holding it in, 'cause I know in the end, dream about, I think what we could've been, what we should've been. If I wasn't with somebody, if we gotta hide it, what's the point of trying? I ain't just your friend, no, what's the point of lying? Trying to sell a story, ain't nobody buying. Look me in my eyes.
Alright, my camera about to die, but we are all finished. Everything flows together nicely. And now we're gonna go ahead and get to painting. I'm gonna let y'all charge a little bit and then we're gonna get to painting. But yeah, it looks cute so far, don't it? Adorbs. Okay, we a little charged up, but I want to show you what I did so far. I got one done. And this chocolate color is so pretty, y'all. I really wanted to put this up today, but it looks like I'm not gonna put this up till tomorrow because I don't know how long this is gonna take to dry. But this is gorgeous. Like, that brown is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I can't wait till we see it in the daytime. But that's so freaking cute. I've seen other people when they painted their stuff that they painted like these a different color. I feel like that would have been really cute too. Like a white. Maybe I could do like the middle one is like the white color. I don't know. Like leave it white for the middle one and then have it going into it. I don't know. Or like leave one white and then do the other. I don't know. I feel like that would be super cute. I wish I would have thought about that before I painted it all. I just realized I messed this up because I put one here, but I didn't finish it here because I didn't have enough of that, but it's cool. But yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Okay, this is a million years later, but we are finally done with our paintings. They are so nice. It is like 5 p.m. but I wanted to catch it in the daytime so you could really see. You kind of see how it has like this red undertone to it. So when I got to the bottom of the paint, I could see it was kind of like unmixed, I guess. So it started giving that reddish look. So I kind of just went back to the other ones and added it to kind of give it something. But it actually works out because I have like accents of rust in my home anyways. So yeah, these came out so freaking good, y'all. I actually posted a tutorial on TikTok too and it did really well. So I guess a lot of people were doing this or wanting to do this. So yeah, I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know. One thing I will say I wish I did when making these paintings is that you see how it's like kind of lifting. I think I probably should have glued it down more because the glue or the adhesive that's already on there is not strong enough. And it could be because when you start painting, you kind of get underneath it and maybe like the paint causes it to rise. I'm not sure, but I would just recommend that you glue it down as well. And honestly, I'm not going to be touching this a lot, so I don't mind that it's doing a little lifting because it's just not that big of a deal to me. It's doing what it needs to do in this living room. So yeah, let me know how y'all like it. Okay, bye.